What's up, Stat Family? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird versus the Denver Nuggets, 1990. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let's get it.
And welcome everyone to a sold-out Boston
You
Garden
know?
as usual. And tonight
I'm
the
going at
Denver
Big
Nuggets
Bird.
will be the opposition for the Boston Celtics as they look for
Y'all know this
their
live.
first win of the season.
From Indiana State, 6'9", 33, Larry Bird.
Against some pressure defense, who better to have
Real
on your
legend.
team on the floor than Larry Bird?
Got hit by Lane, no foul call.
Push it. Oh, okay. Oh,
Adams
that's good
back
deep.
at you, had his pocket picked by
Good
Bird.
deep, Big Bird.
Celtics a
Ooh,
3-on-1,
what a pass.
it'll be Parrish.
It's 2 years before
A lot
retirement.
of great moments on the parquet too. Boston College when he was there, played all of their Big East games in the Boston Garden. Bird pops out
fake.
Woolridge with him. Larry all the way.
Basic.
Guys, as they were standing between the inbound man and the receiver.
Gamble, good look on the rebound. Great pass from Bird. It's gone. Woolridge defensively on Larry. Little fall away for two.
Shown in the park. It's a mismatch.
Larry again,
Pulling
eyeball
those.
to eyeball with Woolridge. Lane takes it down this time. Adams set for three. Not this time. It's a second air ball, shooting a three. Celtics are 3-on-1. Reggie trying to feed it back. It's picked off. Davis has got it. Lewis.
Teamwork. Oh yeah, we pulling those, Big Bird. You know it. Come on now.
D. Brown runs Jackson into a pick. Kale rolled to the hoop. Bird
Pass
popped
me,
out.
Brown. Work down there.
Kevin,
Mikhail.
big advantage over Lane. Gets to it.
They have been trying to moderate his medication.
Oh yeah, Mikhail, same thing. I can't do nothing
Kale,
with you.
little spin move for 2 quarter.
I can't do nothing with KM
Pick
out
out
there.
there for Bird. Larry, intent with the left hand.
He was one of the real great college reap into the draft. And did not see an awful lot of action under Doug Mupp. He must put a body on him.
5 for Lane, tied at 33. Bird in the
Pull up.
open floor for 2. Accidental offense for the
You can
Nuggets,
hear
tied
it.
at 35. D.
Pass.
Brown on a cut.
Oh, the fake D. Brown.
The left hit. Joe Klein gets it this time. Celtics got 18 seconds to get a shot off. D.
Oh yeah, showtime.
Attack the hoop. They're not super concerned with you scoring late. As much concern about
15 in the first quarter for Larry. Adams
Whoever number
circles the
44
wagon,
is on the
tries to lay it
Nuggets,
down.
hooping.
Cook misses the dunk and has it
Good
blocked
defense,
by
Bird.
D. Got to get it up.
That's good
Nice
D.
fake on Shaw. Bryant boggled the shot though, and Bird able to keep the rebound alive. Larry
Oh, yeah.
off and running.
Ooh.
Shovel pass over to Parrish for 2. Scoops through great
Come on
block
now.
by Parrish.
It's 2 years
Here
before
comes Lewis.
retirement.
Roberts legging it the other way.
That's knockdown.
Bird for 2.
on that wing.
19 points and 8 assists for Michael Adams.
We pulling no over the pass. He played me.
For 2.
I swear I thought he was about to raise up.
Bird.
Come on now.
Davis pretty good position on Lewis. Here comes Denver 3-on-2. Lichty on the wing. Nice play.
Y'all blowing too many layups, Denver.
Boy, it is a
What's wrong
temptation
with Denver?
because you just feel and played a high percentage.
Game. Parrish misses the jump shot. Woolridge the rebound. Looking and finding Adams, but
Bird got about 5 steals too.
McHale floats in. Holds it out. Parrish the
A super option.
It's a good pass. Lewis.
Reggie knocks down and up.
Damn, with Pierce.
Marcus Liberty in for Jerome Lane.
Oh yeah, that's draws.
Bird, it's one out in front of him. Wolf spins away from Parrish, finds Liberty.
Good
He
D.
made that.
And Miguel picks up the foul.
Dan Bird gonna run the floor every time he block it or get the steal. He running the floor now.
step too far off of Jackson.
Licky
That's
quick
good deep.
hands, but Lewis gets it back.
The pass loose.
Bird
Bird in the
set.
corner.
Knocks down a three outside. Hard. Wolf's tap won't go. Parrish clears it out. Gives it to D. Brown.
You know, you see him, D.
Celtics
Brown.
chance to take a lead.
That low post. Turn around.
Bird with the left hand.
Alex, angel pressure defense being applied by the Nuggets. Token pressure.
Kevin Gamble back in.
McHale. Turn around.
Hale rattles home.
An amber. Green light all the way.
Larry toes it up. Hits for a three again. Third three of the night for Bird. In 3.9 seconds.
Dude was a bucket getter. Real legend.
Parrish going right at Rasmussen to open up the fourth, and hit. Parrish is there. Celtics down by 3, 10 rebounds for the Chiefs. Bird wants it on Davis. Waits for the double team to go away. Spins on Davis.
He pulls it out. Now Walter Davis cannot.
There was literally nobody can guard him out there, though.
In the box
That's
area.
crazy.
Look, a little spin move.
Can't do nothing.
Gets nuts.
Trying to have front Bird this time. Now Larry gets it.
Backboard.
And Licky.
Thought that one
It's
went
about
in.
the 8-minute mark of the third quarter. Take it up there if you've got the fast break. A
Shit,
quick
he did
shot.
go in them 2 free throws.
To go in the game.
What a pass. Reggie Lewis hung in the air for a second.
Fourth quarter for Brian Shaw.
It's a good hustle too, bro. You running the floor.
Shaw got it. Long
You got 2 behind you. Ooh. It's Isaiah.
We got a bunch of guys on that Celtic bench that are down. Squat.
That's a
They're
turnaround.
into this game.
We sure are. You just got this.
And he got to the line. That's crazy.
One. Nuggets only 18.
Larry.
Ooh.
Got it.
He just confused the hell out of me.
Davis the steal.
That was crazy right now.
Bird the loose ball. Fouled by a
Must be because
for assist.
Dude got 41 and 11. 43 and 11.
Celtics
Okay.
wanted him to take the three. Gives it up to Parrish with 2. Robert hits the ball away.
RP. Everybody acting up
25
tonight.
for Parrish. Licky.
The boys responding right there. The boys right there playing to the end. I like that.
Lane looks like he hurt his left wrist once again.
I like that right there, though.
So the Celtics take some bumps and bruises here tonight as Brian holding on to the left wrist walks off. But the Celtics are now 14-3 on the season as they win at 148-140. Here's a look at
Big Bird. Something to talk about. Y'all already know. Real legend. Salute Denver Nuggets. Thank y'all, Bird family. Thank y'all, Stat family, for watching the full video. We're going to be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. And y'all be good. You know?